Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Kodandaramaya from Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. In this channel, I give you videos on abroad education for latest technologies. In the present video, I would like to talk on Indians have myths about foreign education. When it comes to education abroad, a lot of false information reaches potential students who are projecting the alternate reality and causes them to make uninformed decisions, life changing. Instead of listening to heresy or rumor or myth or fantasy, it is better to get information from official sources or authentic people. This video tries to break 8 rumors or myths or fantasies and present factual information as possible. Myth number 1: studying abroad is costly. What is the fact in it? It's not true. Consider the ROI. Education abroad is usually higher than education in India. No doubt at all. Costs will vary based on factors such as universities, location, and length of the program, that is, duration of the program. For this reason, it is important to choose a college that suits your budget. Another way to look at the finances are not from a cost standpoint, but from the standpoint of long-term return on investment. If you plan your finances well, your education will not seem like a burden. Wise and avoid excessive costs to be minimal and practical. Additionally, you may receive campus jobs, teaching assistantship, research assistance, or other work to supplement your income. The icing on the cake here is that by working part-time, you also gain valuable work experience. After complementing your education, and you have the opportunity to work abroad with several leading high-profile companies. In most cases, students are able to pay off their student loans or EMIs in the first few years after entering their new jobs. And rumor or myth or fantasy number 2: it is hard to find scholarships for international students. What is the reality in it? It's not true. It is challenging, but it is not impossible. In the sense, it is possible to get international student scholarships. Take for example, if you are from Andhra Pradesh, the state government is ready to give you scholarships. For OC students, 10 lakhs per head. For BC students, 50 lakhs per head. For SC or ST students, 20 lakhs per head. You need not repay a single pie to the government. It is mere scholarship. So it is not loan. Please do remember. And after going there abroad, there you can get international student scholarship based on your interview performance. Some students get 25% fees waive, and some other students get 50%, and some more students get 75%, and very few students get 100% fee waive. So in this case, if you are exceptionally good, you are extraordinary student, you can get free education in some universities. And if you are intelligent and if you are capable to speak good English and express your views in English, well, you can teach at a BTech level. BTech level is called BS, Bachelor of Science in Abroad. Coming to the next point, based on the benefits and requirements. Now the governments of countries such as USA, UK, Australia, Japan, and several European countries recognize the outstanding performance of international students by providing funds, financial rewards, and scholarships to develop and promote international education. In some big grade universities in Germany, you need not pay a single pi towards tuition fee, but you have to show minimum 7 lakhs for your livelihood per annum per year if you want to go to Germany. You can benefit from the fund. Also, you can take advantage of a scholarship sponsored by several global, national, regional organizations and financial institutions. Also, one of the most common scholarships awarded by the university is in the form of full or partial exemption of education fee for international students, those who are very outstanding. Just I have explained you very clearly the education in Germany. In relation to training overseas, plenty of fake facts reaches potential college students who project trade reality and reason to make you uninformed lifestyles altering decisions. Rather than being attentive to heresies or rumors or myths or fantasies, it is higher to obtain statistics from a reputable or true source. This video tries to interrupt 8 rumors and present the real statistics as little as possible. Reading abroad is high priced, reality not true. Next, the point is myth number 3. Employers would not fret concentrating abroad. Reality, it is not correct. Complete instruction is exceptionally esteemed. Here are the numbers. As per 2016 Corporate Recruiter Survey report by GMAC, a non-profit training body, in 2016, organizations keep on communicating elevated levels of employing interest for business college graduates. 43% of innovation organizations intend to recruit recently recruited employees legitimately from Master of Data Analytics programs. Almost twofold of extent organizations in different ventures wanting to enlist these update and commerce. Universally, most businesses have detailed that their organizations will zero in on development and extension in 2016 by local. Most of bosses in Asia Pacific 66%, the United States 53%, and Europe 51% report that their general staffing levels will increment in 2016. Bosses partner concentrate abroad applicants with the accompanying aptitudes: global display, extraordinary social abilities, solid critical thinking aptitudes, progressive relational abilities, and order of the language, independence, supposition of dangers, comprehension of intercultural elements, adaptability and versatility, overall organization. As an ever increasing number of organizations work across fringes and societies, a degree from an unfamiliar college on your resume will keep you one stride in front of the opposition in the activity market. Myth or rumor or fantasy number 4. So, foreign travel alone gives a similar encounter. Reality, false. Travels just give you an all-encompassing perspective. One of the most energizing parts of concentrating abroad is the open door for social submersion. Find out about the custom and way of life of different networks. In addition, in a home room with understudies from around the globe, you expand your perspective as you associate in this multifaceted climate. Instructive journeys, in contrast to vacational organizations, mark explicit achievements inside the city and in the wide open where understudies find out about the set of experiences, development of a nation, the underlying foundations of nearby traditions and shows. Next, rumor or myth or fantasy. I will not have my friends and I would feel lonely. Not true. But it is up to you. The world is a playground and you have to choose what you want to do. Beyond your limited set of local interactions, this is an opportunity to improve your social skills, expand your social network, make new acquaintances and friends. In fact, you will be introduced to the circle of your associates through orientation programs and various team building activities. Even before you know it, you will be a part of your group. Universities abroad recognize the need to make their international students feel at home. Schools make a conscious effort to promote a healthy cultural exchange. This experience will be cornerstone of your education because it will affect your personality and instill in you a great understanding of people who are forbidden. You begin to appreciate the differences and diversity while saving the spirit of togetherness. Myth or fantasy or rumor number 6. I would have difficulty communicating with strangers. What is the fact or reality in this? Not true. After initial hiccups, it gets better with the time and practice. You need not worry about your English. Slowly you can imitate foreigners. You can speak like this. You can express your views. And Indians are very particular about grammar, but whereas in England or USA, they express their views in their sentences. There are hundreds of grammatical mistakes. You need not worry at all. In most foreign universities, English is spoken language and the medium of instruction. However, before you apply, take a look at the language prerequisites or criteria set by the university. If you are not familiar with hear a foreign accent, it may be difficult at first to understand what is being said. But this is an easy problem to overcome. Before starting your course, you may expose yourself to the audio that will help you understand foreign accents, inflections, and foreign languages. Seizing this as an opportunity for a new language or a different English language in a foreign country is a great opportunity to improve your language skills. Fastest and most efficient way to learn a language is to acquire it in a natural context. Nana, you can watch movies, English movies. If you go to England, you watch British movies. If you go to America, you watch American movies. Slowly you can pick up their accent. You need not worry at all. Just imitate others. Imitate foreigners. Slowly acquaint or get their accent. Definitely you will be a successful person. You need not worry at all. You can communicate with me. I will explain you and I can teach you grammar online. You need not worry at all. Develop communication skills, spoken communication and written communication, and you will be excellent in the due course of time. You will get a near native fluency in English, which will enrich your communication skills. And myth or rumor or fantasy number 7. Indian students are careless. Not at all true. The university seeks to build an inclusive society. For the most part, the media are responsible for creating misconceptions about indigenous people. Indigenous in the sense of same local or within a country. What the media portray distorted image of reality, while India in many TV sitcoms resemble caricatures of their ethnicity, that is nationality. It is not a common view of the international community for India. At universities, professors more mentors than professors. Professors are more mentors. They suggest you, advise you, they guide you. You need not worry at all. Students are very easy and eager to help solve problems and related academic. Cultural education in foreign universities is based on ideology of learning without barriers and the creation of educational environment possible. They believe that effective learning, students should not feel threatened in any way. You should know that hundreds, if not thousands of Indians have gone abroad long before their time and have won highly. They are successful. Schools are familiar with our cultural uniqueness and they are more than welcome. You will be amazed, wondered, surprised, bewildered at how beautiful and spontaneous local students receive and offer their help. Myth number 8 or fantasy or rumor, study abroad is no longer safe. What is the reality in it? It's not true. Ranking university students' safety as a top priority. Renowned foreign universities recognize the need to provide a safe environment for their students. Foreign universities, they want to get, what do we call, international students. With that, they get more revenue. The university has a zero tolerance policy against harassment of international students. They take their work to provide a safe environment very seriously. For this purpose, they apply strict regulations to ensure safety on and off campus. In accordance with the policy, staff and students must comply with all safety regulations and obligations. Any deviation from the rules, depending on the severity of the circumstances, would attract strict disciplinary action. However, like anywhere in the world, security measures while studying abroad will be no different. Before leaving for your new campus, studying the security measures at the school campus, find out whom to consult in terms of bullying situations, cheating situations. Contact the school or local police if you have any questions related to racial harassment, terrorism. MADAD, an initiative of the Indian government to Indians living abroad concerned about the safety of Indian students abroad. You can contact MADAD if you have a problem. When the stakes are high, fears give you a way to misunderstanding. Studying abroad is not without its challenges. However, it is important to be prepared and not fall for the rumors. Do not let the wrong ideas undermine your resolve. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Wish you all the best. Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, India welcomes you to give you wonderful and valuable suggestions and advices. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share among your friends and well-wishers. All the best once again. Thank you. See you in the next video.